BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we are expecting the price to drop. That's why when we mentioned we're expecting the price to drop 588. If there is a breakout of 588, the next level we have been looking for was 536. And as we can see, the price dropped more than what we expected, and we don't need these lines anymore. And now want to see what's the next, because we are more interested to look for buy. All right. Now the only question is whether we can get the reversal or not. First things, if we refer to the indicators, we don't see any indication as a divergence for the reversal. Then first things, if we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. But as I mentioned, we don't see any reversal point based on the, if we refer to the indicators. Either we get the correction similar to what we have here, and this one can turn to more complex correction for one more drop before we get the reversal. For sure, if we get this option, which is a second option, it can give us better confirmation to look for the long-term trade if we want to look for buy. Because if the price reverse from here, we know about the second possibility, and even we can expect the price to drop before we get the reversal. And also we need to know that how about if this is the start of the down move and the price is going to retest the previous low, which is 400. Can we expect this one turn to more complex correction? We need to be quite careful about this one as well. That's mean we are more interested to look for buy, but if we get any buy, any reversal from here, we consider as a short term, unless we see the breakout around somewhere around 690 or 700. Okay, but if we get one move up, the price drop, we see the internal correction with a divergence, any reversal, it can give us better confirmation to look for trade as a long term. And if I move to forward chart, as we can see based on forward chart, this is what we get. We get one move down, reverse correction, one more drop, reversal. And if we put this low and relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's mean for me, if I get any trade for buy from here, I will take it. The only things I'm looking for, I want to see the breakout of 550. Why? Because we can expect to get one move up, this one turn to flat for one more drop. That means still we can expect this one turn to deeper correction. Okay, and beside that, we get this sharp move following by correction technically based on forward chart. Still we can expect one more drop, and as I mentioned, we can look for continuation. That means any trade is a short-term trade from now. And if I move to 1 hour chart, right now I'm looking at this. I'm not interested to look for sell if the prices start to drop from here. I just let it go. The only times I will take the sell if I get one move up and this one turn to a correction, the continuation as a corrective. If I get any drop from there, I will take it. Right now, I'm more interested to look for buy. That means if I'm looking for this as a correction relative to this, and as long as the price haven't break 495, still I will consider as a correction, because if there is a breakout of 500, the next level is 495. Anyway, if I get any trade for buy from here, I will take it. And the target is 535 following by 558. But as I mentioned, any trade from here for buy, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. Because if it turns to a corrective move, we see that it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade. The reason is we can expect this one. Since what we get here is really sharp, we can consider this one as a correction for one more drop. All right. Anyway, any trade for buy from now, we will take it in case, because we're looking for the reversal based on daily chart. We're looking for the reversal for the long term. But how deep it can go, still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. All right. That's why if I move to 1 hour chart, right now from now, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But and as I mentioned, if the prices start to drop from here, I won't take the trade unless I see any sharp move following by flag. I see some changes. I discussed that if I want to look for sell, I prefer to get one move up, at least with the breakout of the previous top. If I see there is no continuation following by sharp move flag, I will take the trade for sell. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.